there, my name is and welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm bringing you this emergency Bitcoin update, and everybody is celebrating that Bitcoin is breaking out, everything is looking so great, and we are going to the moon, or whatever it is that they're saying. Now, that might be the case. However, in this video, I really want to share something super important and something that everybody seems to be missing out. So please hit that like button, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And right now in Dubai, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, but nonetheless, Thomas Krallo is producing content right here at my trading floor and right here at my trading desk. So in this video, watch it till the end because it's very important. And if you're going to be longing the market right now or you're in a long position, as I've said in the previous video, I'm still waiting. I want to see something very specific. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking for to open a heavy long trade, which is going to be a confirmation for me that this is a real breakout. So let's move right to the computer screen and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So this particular situation right here is what everybody is so happy about. So number one, there is a little bit of increased volume right here, and we have broken above $42,300 or $42,500 depending on how you place your key market level, and we've broken above it. So let me mark it right here. So finally we've broken out, but as you know, I haven't taken this trade for one good reason, and I'm looking to get into a big long position, and for that I need a different confirmation and something that everybody is missing right now. Because even though we might have broken out of this area right here, and certainly we do see some volume here, however, there is something that everybody is missing. So let me remove volume for the time being because it's just in the way. And as you might remember, in my previous videos, I actually predicted that it might go, the price can break out to about 44,000, which it did. So my target was hit spot on. So and let me show you exactly what I meant back then. So the level was this one that we couldn't break, and we had, which it was a really beautiful bullish sign that we retraced so hard right when we went below 40k. So we showed really huge power at the $40,000 level, and finally we broke out of this channel, and our target was basically the size of this channel, which if we take it like this and basically drag it over to the breakout, this would be our target, so right about 44,000. So that's good. And number one, a lot of people who have been longing this area are going to be taking their profit somewhere in this zone right now, so that's not a good sign for us. However, that's not the only thing that I'm super worried about. Number one, what also worth mentioning is the volume profile. If we take a look at exactly where the volume is, so right now, theoretically, and that's what also everybody's so happy about, theoretically we've passed this huge volume right here, so there isn't really that very much resistance in this area. So theoretically we can be going easily to $46,000 right here, so 45,600, which has been our previous support right here, and which worked beautifully, and that's also where the volume, the big volume, is standing right here. So this is something that the price will have trouble going through easily. So this is something that we're gonna face huge resistance at if the price gets there. So a lot of people are having their take profits around this area just not to risk it. However, that's not the only issue right now for this move to continue up. And what I'm trying to say here is, just let me show you exactly what I'm trying to say. So for that, let's remove the volume profile for the time being, and let's move to the daily chart. And this is very simple, but you have to keep this in mind. Now, as you might remember, we have this super strong resistance, the diagonal one, support, super strong diagonal support right here. But now everybody seems to have forgotten about our resistance level in this area right here. And let's make sure that we mark it precisely. This is very, very important. So something like this. So this, if you zoom out, this is a perfect, beautiful falling wedge as well. So now if we move to the 15-minute chart, and let's take a look at what it looks like. And look at it. We are currently facing resistance right here. And this is what I'm personally looking out for. Here it was rejected previously. Now it has also formed some kind of a squeezing right here. So now we are actually, as I'm recording this, we are attempting to break this level right here. And this, if we do, then this is going to be, and this is also 44,000. Again, this was our previous target, which was hit, and give me a like for that target that it got actually hit. So now our huge question is whether we're actually going to break this level right here, or we're gonna bounce off of it and actually go down. So because if this is going to happen, it's not gonna be a very good sign, and we might actually go down and retest. Let me just, and we might actually go down and retest $42,000, 42,300. And again, if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, then we'll also see that we are in kind of a climbing wedge right here. And this is actually a bullish pattern, so we have to watch out and see exactly what's going to happen, because this might also, if it breaks below, then this is actually going to be another confirmation that we might be going and retesting 42,300. But this is very important. Everybody is so focused on 46,000 right now that they've forgotten about this super strong resistance that has worked for a while. Look at it. I mean, price has been rejected off of it many times. So for me to even consider a long position, I want to see the break of this level right here. And at this point, we really need to keep a close watch of this area right now. So if I'm gonna keep you guys updated, if this actually breaks, then I'm gonna be in. And if it's gonna be a false break, maybe I'll even short Bitcoin, but I'll be very careful in this particular situation. And remember that we are still very close to 46,000, and that's where we're gonna see some resistance for sure. So stay smart and trade very carefully. And remember that you can also prepare for these big amazing trades that are coming by clicking the link down in the description and claiming a $4,100 bonus with Bybit if you meet the deposit requirements. So go ahead into the description, click on my link, register with Bybit, takes literally like 20 seconds, make the initial deposit and claim a huge bonus. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, share this video with as many people as you can. Let's bring this information out into the world and hit those algorithms that we get as many views as possible. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck in the markets.